Today we'll see one most important question which asked frequently in every interview. So this question is belong to the subquery, and if you want to become a pro in SQL, then subquery and common expression table and Windows function play the important role. Okay, so without subquery and common expression table and Windows, you are incomplete in SQL. So let's start the question first to understand what is the requirement. So requirement is the question is get customer who sold the more than the overall average sold quantity. So here in this question, we understand the subquery and the correct approach to writing the subquery. Okay, so let's first understand the table. In the table, we have customer code, customer name, and sold quantity, and these are the data of sold quantity by the customer name. Okay, so we'll check first the average. What is the average sold quantity by the customer? Okay, so let's execute this query first. So these are the average sold quantity sold by the customer. Okay, so now we'll write the query. Okay, so let's start. Then we start from select. First, let me execute the table, and while looking the table, we write the query. Okay, so what we want from table. So we want a customer name, right? Customer name, and what we want total sold quantity. So for total we use some sold quantity, UANTITY, total quantity from table, right? From which table? Facts monthly table. Okay, so we'll get here, and then the next step, we want a total sold quantity should be greater than the average sold quantity. So before getting the answer from question, we check how many unique customer name we have, and then all customer name club into a single column. Okay, so yesterday we learned about group by, right? So group by here, where we practice the group by as well. So then we write the group by. Group by help to club all the customer name. Group by customer name, customer name, group by customer name, right? Let me run the query first. So we get the unique customer name who sold total quantity, right? So our question is the customer who sold more than the average quantity, right? So again we write the query. So we use having clause here, to filter the data from table based on aggregation, right? Yesterday we also learned having clause. So we write here having sum of sold sum of sold sum of sold quantity is greater than what? The average quantity, right? So we just copy here and paste it in this query. Paste it in this query. Sold, right? AVG. Let me execute. Here is just showing error here. Let me check what is the error here. So error is here. Now execute. Running. Wait some time. So we get the correct answer what we are looking from the question. So the question is customer who sold the quantity more than the average sold quantity. So these are the customer who sold more than the average quantity. What is the average quantity? 7.88. Have greater than all that average, right? So this is a good approach to solve the question. So thank you guys. If you like this video is suitable for your career, then definitely hit the subscribe button